Hey everyone, Cynthia here, back at you with another crypto tutorial. And today I'm going to talk to you about HealthHeart. They completed their crowd sale in December of last year, and the tokens were distributed ahead of schedule. Originally, they were slated to be distributed by February 1. They actually got both the crowd sale and the bounty tokens distributed by January 23rd. Still, hanging out in Bitcoin Talk and HealthHeart's Telegram chat, I see people asking how to get their HealthHeart tokens into their MyEtherWallet. So that's what this tutorial is going to show you. So we're going to go ahead and hop on over to MyEtherWallet and go ahead and log into your wallet there. And what we're going to need to do is add a custom token. And when you add a custom token, there's 3 pieces of information you need. You need the contract address, you need the token symbol, and you need the number of decimal places. And I've included all of that information in the video description below so that you can just cut and paste it nice and neat. So let's go ahead down here, and in the token balances box, you're going to click Add Custom Token. And then you're just going to cut and paste your information. Token contract address, the token symbol for the HealthHeart tokens is HHT, and there's 18 decimal places. And then you click Save, and voila, there are my HealthHeart tokens in MyEtherWallet. Now, if you missed the token sale, or if you want to get your hands on some more HealthHeart tokens, there's really 3 things you can do. You can either find someone who contributed to the original crowd sale and try to broker a deal with them. The tokens are also trading over on EtherDelta, so you could go there. And HealthHeart themselves still has tokens that they're making available to people at a discount. I don't know how much that discount is, but any discount is a good thing. So if you want to contact them about that, just hop on over to their website, healthheart.io, and you can email them at hello@healthheart.io and ask them for information on how to purchase tokens. So I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like it, share it, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you all next time. Catch you around the cryptoverse.